Amazon is one of the largest and most successful companies in the world, known for its vast selection of products and fast shipping. But did you know that Amazon is also an excellent platform for making money? In this video tutorial, we'll explore various ways to make money on Amazon. So whether you're looking to supplement your income with a side hustle or expand your business to include an online sales channel, Amazon can help you generate income. But before we dive in and see how you can get started, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Ways to make money on Amazon. 1. Choosing a product type or niche. The first step to making money on Amazon is selecting the right product type or niche. Whether it's a product category that you are passionate about or something that's trending, finding what works for you is essential. When choosing a product type or niche, you can start with a single product or source multiple items from different categories. It's crucial to monitor sales analytics to guide your decision-making and see what's working and what's not. One of the best ways to find a product niche is by analyzing search data on Amazon. You can use Amazon's search bar to see what people are looking for and what products are popular. By identifying popular products and trends, you can find an untapped niche that you can capitalize on. 2. Selling handcrafted items on Amazon. Handmade. If you're skilled in crafting, such as sewing or woodworking, you can turn your expertise into an online business using Amazon Handmade. This online community allows artisans to sell their unique creations to a global audience. Amazon Handmade is a platform that provides a fee waiver for a professional selling plan and other perks designed for artists and creatives. To get started on Amazon Handmade, you need to apply to become a seller. Once your application is approved, you can create your own storefront, showcase your products, and start selling. Amazon Handmade offers a variety of tools and resources to help you grow your business, such as promotional tools and marketing tips. 3. Building your own brand. Building your brand requires effort and investment, but it can pay off in customer loyalty. Amazon provides brand owners with various tools and resources to help you build your brand. One of the best ways to build your brand on Amazon is by enrolling in the Brand Registry program. The Brand Registry program allows you to unlock automated protections for your label and gain more resources for brand management. To enroll in the Brand Registry program, you need to have a registered trademark for your brand. Once enrolled, you can protect your brand from counterfeiters and ensure that your customers are receiving authentic products. The Brand Registry program also allows you to access additional tools and resources to help you build your brand, such as custom storefronts and advertising opportunities. 4. Creating and distributing merch on Amazon. Merch on demand. If you have a great idea for a funny t-shirt or a coffee mug, bring your ideas to life with Amazon Merch on Demand. This program enables you to design custom apparel and accessories on a print-on-demand basis. Products are printed after each sale and shipped through Prime, allowing customers to receive orders quickly. To get started with Amazon Merch on Demand, you need to apply to become a seller. Once your application is approved, you can create your designs and start selling. Amazon Merch on Demand offers a variety of tools and resources to help you grow your business, such as promotional tools and marketing tips. 5. Sell B2B. Amazon Business is a program designed to help sellers reach other businesses. Whether you are selling office supplies, industrial equipment, or anything in between, Amazon Business provides a platform to connect with B2B customers of all sizes. By joining Amazon Business, you gain access to visual dashboards that provide insights into your sales performance and enable you to manage your inventory and orders more efficiently. One of the main advantages of selling to other businesses through Amazon Business is that you can offer them exclusive pricing, volume discounts, and other incentives to encourage them to purchase from you. This is because B2B customers tend to make larger orders than individual consumers, and they also value convenience and reliability. By partnering with Amazon Business, you can leverage its reputation for fast and reliable delivery, as well as its customer service and returns policy. Another benefit of selling to other businesses through Amazon Business is that you can tap into a global marketplace. Amazon has a presence in more than 180 countries, and its B2B customers include small and medium-sized businesses, government agencies, educational institutions, and other organizations. By expanding your customer base beyond your local market, you can increase your revenue and diversify your income streams. To get started with Amazon Business, you need to create a seller account and list your products in the B2B marketplace. You will also need to provide your tax information, verify your identity, and comply with Amazon's policies and guidelines. Once your account is approved, you can start selling to B2B customers and leveraging Amazon's tools and resources to grow your business. 6. Earn passive income by recommending products. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income online, and Amazon Associates is one of the largest affiliate programs in the world. As an Amazon Associate, you can earn up to 10% in advertising fees by referring customers to Amazon and promoting its products on your website, blog, or social media channels. To become an Amazon Associate, you need to apply for the program and provide information about your website or social media profile. Once your application is approved, you can generate affiliate links that contain your unique tracking code. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase on Amazon within 24 hours, you earn a commission on the sale. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that are relevant to your audience and provide value to them. For example, if you have a blog about fitness, you can promote fitness gear, supplements, and books on Amazon. If you have a YouTube channel about cooking, you can recommend kitchen appliances, cookbooks, and gourmet ingredients. By providing honest and helpful reviews and recommendations, you can build trust with your audience and increase your conversion rate. Amazon Associates provides various tools and resources to help you optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. You can track your earnings, analyze your performance, and access reports and data that show which products are most popular and profitable. You can also use Amazon's SiteStrike tool to create affiliate links directly from product pages and share them on social media. 7. Publish books with KDP. If you have written a book, publishing it on Amazon through the Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) program can be an excellent way to make money. With KDP, you have the option to self-publish your book in various formats, including paperback, hardcover, ebook, or all three. Since its launch in 2007, KDP has enabled hundreds of thousands of authors worldwide to self-publish millions of books. KDP provides a straightforward and easy-to-use interface, allowing authors to upload their manuscript, cover art, and metadata to the platform. Once your book is published, it becomes available for purchase on Amazon, and you can earn up to 70% in royalties. Self-publishing on Amazon through KDP can be an attractive option for aspiring authors who want to get their work in front of a broad audience without having to go through traditional publishing channels. It also provides established authors with an opportunity to sell their backlist titles or experiment with new ideas without incurring the same costs and risks associated with traditional publishing. Overall, KDP is an excellent option for anyone looking to publish a book and earn money on Amazon. So, if you have a manuscript waiting to be published, consider using KDP to make it available to millions of readers around the world. There you have it, guys, ways to make money on Amazon. Whether you're selling products, recommending them, or publishing books, Amazon provides a variety of opportunities for anyone seeking to earn a profit. Start exploring your options and see where Amazon can take you. Thank you for watching.